Hey y'all, I'm the Feisty Quilter. I do a lot of experimenting with quilts, fabric painting, and making my own supplies. All of my videos contain a link to a corresponding page on my blog in the description. If you like my videos, you know what to do. Y'all stick around, we're going to have some fun. Hey y'all, I've got an interesting project to share with you. One of my customers gave me a quilted pillow cover to repair. Now, what's wrong with it is that somebody got a hold of it with a pair of pinking shears. You can see it right here. It's all jagged and pinked out. It had a zipper in it, but I ripped it out already. And I've already pre-ironed it. And what I have here is mending tape. And this is what I'm going to repair it with. So this stuff uses a dry iron instead of a steam iron. This is not stitch witchery. It's fabric that has an adhesive backing on the opposite side of it. One side is shiny and the other side is matte. Well, the first thing I'm going to do is measure out how much I'm going to need. Now you want to make sure you get quite a bit of overlap here. So I'm going to cut it a 1/2 inch longer than the repair, and I'm not going to have enough of this blue to do the whole thing, so I'm going to have to make it up with the white. And I'm going to cut the white to the same width as the blue. For this mending tape, you use a dry iron on the wool setting. This isn't stitch witchery, it isn't fusible web, it's mending tape. It's fabric with a kind of plastic glue on one side of it. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put some of these strips on the inside and some on the outside. You set your iron to the wool setting and you preheat the fabric. First thing I'm going to do is put one of these strips underneath it. Now when you cut these strips, they need to be about a 1/2 inch longer than the hole you're repairing. set your iron down and just let it sit there. You have to make sure that the shiny side is touching the fabric. The heat is going to melt this plastic glue, and it's going to melt into the fabric, and when it cools it's going to bond with the fabric and it won't wash out. I would have sewn this up, but it was too jagged, so I have to use mending tape instead. Okay, so I got the bottom strips down, and now I'm going to go over the top with more strips. Well, there it is, all done. This was a fast project.